Investing solely in one currency, especially the US dollar, can be an extremely risky decision. While the dollar has historically been a stable and widely used currency, there are several dangers associated with having all of your investments in it. One of the main dangers of having all your investments in the dollar is currency risk. Currencies are constantly fluctuating in value, and a sudden drop in the value of the dollar can have a significant impact on your investments. When you have all your investments in the dollar and the value of the dollar decreases, you could stand to lose a significant amount of money. Another danger of having all your investments in the dollar is that it can limit your diversification opportunities. Diversification is a key strategy in investing, as it helps to spread out risk and minimize potential losses. By investing solely in the dollar, you are limiting your ability to diversify your investments across different currencies and assets. Additionally, having all your investments in the dollar can leave you vulnerable to political and economic changes. If the call by the United Nations for a one-world currency is adopted by enough countries, there could be a negative impact on the value of the dollar and ultimately on your dollar-based investments. It is also important to consider that the US dollar is not immune to inflation. Inflation has recently eroded the purchasing power of your dollars, and as well as other assets tied to the dollar. This means that your investments may not be able to keep up with the rising cost of living, leading to a decrease in purchasing power. To mitigate these dangers, it is important to diversify your investments across different currencies and assets. Investing in a mix of foreign currencies, cryptocurrencies, as well as gold and silver can help spread out risk and protect your investments from the volatility of any one currency. It is also important to stay informed about economic and political developments that could impact the value of the dollar and adjust your investment strategy accordingly. In conclusion, while the US dollar is currently a widely used currency, investing solely in it can be a risky decision. By diversifying your investments across different currencies and assets, you can better protect your investments from currency risk, inflation, and other potential dangers. It is important to carefully consider all these factors before making any investment decisions to ensure the long-term stability and growth of your portfolio. One option for diversification is to buy silver and gold at the best prices. Get the best deals on all your precious metals purchases at goldandsilver.deals, where you can get a free bar of silver. Start a sensible investment strategy today for a more secure tomorrow.
Isn't it time to start a sensible investment strategy? Get your free bar of silver and start looking to a brighter future.